Okay, group number 5. In the triangle below, AC, right here, is 7. BC is 24. And they're asking us to find the cosine of A. Remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent would be right here, 7. Our hypotenuse is over here, and we do not have that side. So we're going to have to use Pythagorean theorem to solve for it. Okay, so we have A and B. A is 7, B is 24, and we're trying to find our C, which is our hypotenuse. So 7 squared is 49, and 24 squared is 576. Oops. Okay, if I add those together, I get 49. I'm sorry, if I add 49 and 576, I get 625. Whew. And then I'll take my square root. Which is 25. Now that we have that other side, that hypotenuse, we can go ahead and do our cosine of A. So cosine of A will be adjacent over hypotenuse, and that's all we can do for that. We cannot break that down. Okay, last one is number 6 here. In the diagram below, tangent of A is 2.4. If the area of triangle ABC cannot be 30, what is the length of the hypotenuse? It's kind of interesting. Okay, let's start with the tangent of A. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, and if we think about what the decimal is, it's 2.4. So let's see if we can change that into a fraction. Ah, there we go. So 2.4 is the same fraction as 12 over 5. Now that tells us if we're doing the tangent of A, opposite of A would be here, adjacent of A would be here, and then here's our hypotenuse. Okay, so over here, opposite 12, adjacent is 5. So now, okay, so now that we have this, let's see what our area is going to be. So area is 1/2 base times height. So our base is 12, and our height is 5. So if we do 1/2 base times height, we end up with 30. Okay, so that's an issue. That's a little bit of a problem. So let's go ahead and we're going to find the hypotenuse, and then we're going to move on from here. So trust me here, and then we will keep moving forward. So let's go ahead and do 5 squared plus 12 squared. We're going to find our hypotenuse, and then we will make sure that the area is no longer 30. All right, 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. If we do 25 plus 144, we get 169. The square root of 169 is 13. Okay, so we know that these numbers aren't going to work. However, if we multiply all of these by 2, so 5 times 2 would give us 10, 12 times 2 would give us 24, 13 times 2 would give us 26. We aren't changing the triangle in the sense that it's going to have a different tangent. Let me show you what I mean. The tangent, if right here now, would be opposite 24 divided by adjacent, which is 10, and that still has a tangent of 2.4. So now, if I do 1/2 my base times my height, I no longer have an area of 30. So that tells us that our hypotenuse will be 26.